Hello and welcome to an OutPower tutorial. On this video we'll be talking about how we can do a file type check on the client side in a Reactive web application. We'll make use of JavaScript and the upload widget attributes to overcome the patterns that will be used when developing a traditional web application. Without further ado, let's jump right into it. Let's say that you are in the situation where you would like to verify the file type on the client side to decide which file should or should not be uploaded into your application. Currently on Reactive, we don't have access to the file type the same way we used to do in traditional web. To go around this, we can do a couple of things. We can start by restricting which files we can choose for the upload widget. And to be able to do this, we need to add the property except on the widget properties. Now below we can put the accepted file types. This is a string where the values are separated by commas. So for example, we can use something like this. With this, our widget will only accept files with an Excel extension or a JPEG. Another thing we can do is to check the file type by using JavaScript. For that, we already prepared the client action where it receives an upload widget ID and returns the file type. Looking at the code, you can see it's fairly simple JavaScript. From the upload object, we access the file. From there, we can reach its file type. But be warned, this works fine if the files are recognized on the client side. So this works great for those basic type files like images. Otherwise, the method will return an empty string as a response. So our accepted property is working. We only see two files. And inside of the folder we actually have three files: the image, the Excel, and an MP3 file. So continuing with our test, we'll choose the Excel. Looking to our case, we don't have an Excel installed on the machine that is running the page, so we won't be able to retrieve the file type as we can see in this demo. So please do take this into account if you're considering applying something like this to more complex scenarios. But due to this, if you're in the situation where it is necessary to know the file type that has been uploaded, then what could be suggested is to, on the client side, validate the extension type, and on the server side, validate the file type. With this, you'll be able to achieve the desired check mechanism. To be able to check the file type on the server side, there is already a Forge component that will help you with that. And that component can be found at the following link. And that is all for a quick video and file type check on the client side in an OutSystems Reactive web application. Now with some care and creativity, you should be able to work around these issues when developing a Reactive app. We hope you have enjoyed it, and please join us next time for more OutSystems tutorials by OutPower.